Knowledge plus information plus discipline are key supplements for a happy investing journey. 2 webinars programs that can help you get an edge on the markets. First, Active and Passive Investing with Mutual Funds. Second, KWJ webinar on investing with equities. 1. Introduction to mutual funds and scheme categories. 2. Selecting the right category of mutual fund scheme with practical. 3. Passive investing with ETFs and index funds. 4. Investing in a diversified basket of asset classes and domestic, international markets. 5. Planning for secondary income in a passive way. 1. Formulating an investing strategy and understanding investor behavioral bias. 2. Building an investment portfolio for the long term using fundamental analysis. 3. Identifying stocks for the short to medium term using technical analysis. 4 Steps in building an equity portfolio. Contact us to know more about webinar details.